very early. So when I tell you that your girl tired, she tired, she beat out. Turn Miss Kitty, you know. She beat out. So I have to just take it easy for a while and see how it go. What time is it now? Okay, I have a little bit more time. Welcome to those in the chat. Happy Thursday. No one saying anything. Oh my God. But I think I'll be cutting this one short because I have to keep moving, as I said. So Stacy, thanks for joining me, sweetie. And as you said, we definitely have to drop a little more shorts, a little more live, as you said. So I think I have to start doing that. If it's even 10 or 20 minutes, it's a little that counts, right? Wild Winklers. Hello. Good morning. How are you? Happy Thursday. Thanks for joining me. Wild Winklers. That name not familiar, but welcome. Happy Thursday. Are you a Jamaican, Wild Winklers? Or no? Are you a Jamaican? Yes, good morning, sweetie. How is the weather where you guys at? Here it's very warm. Very, very warm. Very, very warm. I tell you. Really warm. I have 3 more minutes, then I'm going to leave you guys. But can you guys please give me a thumbs up? We only have 2 thumbs up on the screen. And we had up to 7 million persons, but there were only 2 thumbs up. Can you please give me a thumbs up, guys? Stacy, you're still here? What are your plans for today? Any celebration for Emancipation Day where you are? Normally they used to do something here like Jamaican Day. I think that would be for Independence Day. I think Independence Day, yeah. They always have a party. They call it Jamaican Day where they sell stuff and so forth. But they don't really celebrate much here, even though there's a lot of Jamaicans here. So I'm going to leave you guys now because I have to keep moving. So do enjoy the rest of your Thursday morning. And I'll try to come back again with another live soon. I have to do this. So until next time, guys. Bye-bye. I'll go to